Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ever wondered how to make that trendy blurred glass look in Canva? Let's dive in. Click Create to start a new project. Next, select the Custom Size option and set it to 300 by 300 pixels. Then, navigate to the Elements tab and search for an image to add to your design. Select the image you want to use. To duplicate the image, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Next, click the Edit button. In the toolbar, click See All to expand the available tools. Find and select the Blur tool from the list. Once the Blur tool is open, choose Whole Image to apply the effect across the entire image. Adjust the Blur Intensity slider and set it to 68 for the desired effect. Next, return to the Blur tool. Once you're back in the blur settings, align the image so that all elements are positioned correctly. Double-check the alignment before continuing to ensure everything is organized as needed. We'll fit this together for a complete image, then trim the sides to clean up and achieve a polished final result. Select the area you want to blur, similar to how you use the crop tool. Adjust the borders by dragging the handles. To change the size or shape of the blur, use the trim controls located at the bottom of the window. After selecting the area you want to blur, go to the top and choose the stroke style option. Set the stroke width to 3 for this example. Next, adjust the corner radius to 20 to create longer, rounded corners. After that, click on the Stroke Color button to open the color picker. Here, you can choose the color for your stroke. Once you've selected your preferred stroke color, the changes will apply automatically to the selected area, completing the outline blur effect for your design. Switch to the linear region to begin. You'll notice the glass effect is now visible. There's still room for further optimization. Click the Present Linear option to enhance the look. If you prefer, you can also select the circular option for a different effect. Adjust the linear or circular region as needed to get the desired appearance. Experiment with the settings until the glass effect matches your preferences and requirements for the project. Continue tweaking for optimal visual results. Notice the gray color shown here. This indicates an inactive or disabled element. When something appears gray, it means you cannot interact with or select that option. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Share button. Choose the download option to save your project. Before downloading, you can increase the image size if needed. Finally, select the PNG format to save your file. Your edited image is now ready to use. Now you know how to make a cool blur glass effect in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative design tips.